Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to mathematics, and we are solving A-level CI's paper Pure Maths 1, paper code 9709, variant 12, October November 2025, and this is the last question, question 10 of this paper. The diagram shows a bigger circle with center C with this center and radius R. Radius is S, this one. Okay, this is the radius, this is also the radius. So what are they telling us about the smaller circle? They are saying there is a chord BD in the same bigger circle that is also of length S, that is the radius of the circle. It also shows a smaller circle. Now they are talking about smaller circle with center A passing through C, also the center of the bigger circle, and it has a radius R. Okay, the two circles intersect at point B and D. We need to show that S equals to root 3R. S, we can take any S, is equals to root 3 times R. Okay, for this we need to look into this thing, or we need to look at this circle, the smaller circle. You can see this is A point, the center. So this all sum of angles must be equals to 360 degree, and if this whole is 360, one of them must be 1/3 of this 360, because these all are like equilateral triangles, or this whole circle is split it up in 3 parts. So this one angle is 120 degree. Okay, so now let's look into this in this triangle. Now I am referring to this triangle. If we need to prove S equals to root 3R, let's take this triangle, and I am applying cosine law. S square will be equals to, the opposite of this angle must be equals to R square plus R square minus 2R square cos of 120 degree. So this will give you okay, is this in pi or radians? Pi. So instead of taking it to be 360, take it to be 2 pi, this to be 2 pi by 3. Two R square minus 2R square cos 2 pi by 3 is actually minus half. So that will give you 2R square plus R square equals S square, and S turns out to be 3R square, and S is root 3R. Now we need to find in part B the area of the shaded region. Give your answer in the form A plus B pi, where A and B are constants to be found. To find out the area of the shaded region. Okay, for part B, what you can do is, let's take this diagram again and understand how can we find out the area of the sector. Okay, first of all, this is your center C. So it is making this arc. This is your one sector. This is your center A and this is making your other arc, this one. Now we have to find out area of this part. This is the shaded part. So what we can do is area of this sector, blue sector, minus area of this triangle ABD but still we will be left with this part to be subtracted. So for that we need to find this part. Let me change this. To find this part, what we can do is area of this pink sector minus area of triangle BCD will give you this part BD. You can say just this is can we call it to be just a segment or a part. This part is area of sector minus area of triangle BCD, and the area of sector minus area of triangle ABD is this bigger part. This whole thing. Is it working on this? No, not really. This one. This part is, now we have to subtract this part 1 minus the smaller part to get the area of the shaded region. It is a bit complicated. The important thing is to first identify the two sectors, the blue sector and the pink sector, correctly, and secondly we need to see which two things will be subtracted to get the required one. Okay, so let's find out all of these. It is actually, part 1 is actually a segment, but the other one is not, so I'm not writing that. So area of sector, blue sector is, what is this angle? 2 pi over 3 half r square r square theta is 2 pi by 3 minus area of triangle ABD half AB sine C, so half r square sine of 2 pi by 3. That will give you let's take half r square common. 2 pi by 3 minus sine 2 pi by 3 is root 3 over 2. So this is one thing. Part 1 area is this, the segment, green segment. Now for the part 2, area of pink sector minus triangle BCD. So let's do this. Area of sector is half S square, and what is this angle? Do we know about this angle? No, we don't know. So we have to first find out this angle. If this is 2 pi by 3 in a triangle, so what will be the other two angles? 2 pi by 3 plus 2x equals equals pi. Okay, so that turns out to be 2x equals pi minus 2 pi by 3. X is pi over 6. So this is pi over 6 and this is pi over 6. So 2 pi over 6 is pi over 3. Okay, so this angle C is pi over 3. So we are doing area of sector, pink sector, so pi over 3 is the angle. So half r square theta. Theta is pi over 3 minus area of triangle BCD. Okay, how can you find out the area of this triangle? You can also take half. Yes, we use sine law for this triangle. Half AB sine of pi by 3. Okay, so half S square sine of pi by 3. So that will give you okay, I am taking half to be common because only that can be taken common. So r square pi by 3 minus sine pi by 3 is root 3 over 2. So s square root 3 over 2. Okay, one more thing is we have already found that s is equals to root 3r. So we can simplify this s square as 3r square so that we can simplify it in more better way. Also because I think so we should be writing the answer in a plus b pi form. So yeah, so let's take this. S is equals to root 3r. So s square equals to 3r square. So it will become 3r square root 3 over 2 taking again half r square common, we are left with pi over 3 minus 3 root 3 over 2. So that gives you area of shaded region is part 1 minus part 2. So we are subtracting this. Okay, so just simplify this because we need the answer in nearly exact form. So 2 pi over 3 minus root 3 over 2 minus pi over 3 plus 3 root 3 over 2. Pi over 3 minus common, if I take root 3 minus 3 root 3 over 2 a plus b pi. Okay, minus plus 2 root 3 over 2. Root 3 minus 3 root 3 is 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 and minus minus plus, so that turns out to be this. Then for this solving it will become pi over 3 plus root 3 times half r square or we can say r square times pi over 6 plus root 3 over 2. And this is all a plus b pi form, or you can write it as root 3 over 2 plus 1 by 6 pi to write it in the more accurate way. So a plus b pi form. So this implies a is root 3 over 2 and b is 1 over 6. Okay, this is how we are solving this. You can do it in your own way. This is how I interpreted it and done this, because it was a bit complicated to understand how to remove this region from the whole. It was a bit tricky thing. So you can point out and mention the region in your own way and then solve it. So this is how we will be getting the required final answer. This is all about paper October-November 2025. I hope you understand this. For any queries, any suggestions, please write us in the comment box, or you can email us on imathematics. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.